Seeing stutters after the iOS 26 update? Apps freeze, scrolling is sluggish, and taps feel delayed. Here are real screen recordings so you can see the lag and delayed responses in action. We'll fix it with 6 quick steps: restart, free storage, update apps, reset settings, control background refresh, or reinstall as a last resort. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Power off, wait a few seconds, then power on to clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Free up storage. Delete unused apps or offload photos so your device has breathing room. Step 3. Update your apps. Open the App Store and update all apps to ensure compatibility with iOS 26. Step 4. Reset settings. Reset all settings preserves your data but clears system preferences that may cause lag. Step 5. Limit background app refresh. Turn it off for heavy apps or switch to Wi-Fi only to save resources. Step 6. Reinstall or restore. Delete and reinstall a misbehaving app, or backup and restore your iPhone if issues persist. Now a side-by-side before and after. Notice faster launches, smoother scrolling, and snappier taps after applying the fixes. Quick recap: restart, free storage, update apps, reset settings, manage background refresh, then reinstall or restore if needed. If this helped, subscribe for more concise iPhone fixes and drop your issue in the comments.